Today we're exposing the top 10 free tools hackers use to hack TikTok accounts. Some are shockingly easy to use. This video is for educational purposes only. Never use these tools for illegal activities. With hacking incidents on the rise, it's crucial to understand how these attacks happen so you can defend yourself. I'll walk you through each tool and share my top tips for locking down your account. Ready to pull back the curtain on the world of hacking? Let's get started. Let's dive into the world of phishing kits, the secret weapon behind many online scams. Phishing kits are pre-made software packages that allow even inexperienced hackers to set up convincing fake TikTok login pages in just a few minutes. These kits come with everything needed: ready-to-use web templates, scripts to capture your information, and even instructions for beginners. With just a few clicks, a hacker can launch a phishing campaign that looks shockingly real. You might receive a direct message or an email that appears to be from TikTok support. These messages often use TikTok's official logo, colors, and language, making them look completely legitimate. They might warn you about a supposed problem with your account, like a security breach or a copyright violation, and urge you to log in immediately to resolve the issue. Sometimes, they promise free followers or exclusive features to lure you in. If you enter your username and password on one of these fake pages, you're not logging into TikTok. You're handing your credentials directly to a hacker. In seconds, they can access your account, change your password, and lock you out. Worse, they might use your account to scam your friends or followers. These phishing kits are constantly updated to mimic TikTok's latest design changes, making them almost indistinguishable from the real thing. The URLs might look convincing at first glance, but often contain subtle misspellings or extra characters. Tiny details that are easy to miss if you're not paying close attention. To protect yourself, always double-check the website address before entering your login details. Never click on links in messages that seem urgent, promise free perks, or threaten to delete your account. These are classic tactics used by scammers to pressure you into acting quickly without thinking. When in doubt, open the official TikTok app or type tiktok.com directly into your browser. This simple habit can save you from falling victim to phishing scams. Up next, I'll show a censored demonstration of a real phishing kit in action, strictly for educational purposes. Remember, the goal here is awareness, so you can recognize and avoid these scams before they catch you off guard. Next, Keyloggers, programs that secretly record every keystroke, including your TikTok password. Hackers hide keyloggers in fake apps or downloads. Once installed, they run invisibly in the background. Everything you type is sent straight to the attacker. Keyloggers can arrive via infected emails, malicious websites, or compromised USB drives. Protect yourself by only downloading trusted apps, using antivirus software, and scanning your devices regularly. Watch for odd device behavior, like unknown apps or sudden slowdowns. I'll show a quick, safe demo of how a keylogger works. Now, let's dive into the world of social engineering toolkits. These are powerful tools that hackers use to manipulate people, not just machines. Unlike traditional hacking, which relies on exploiting software vulnerabilities, social engineering is all about exploiting human psychology. Hackers know that the easiest way to break into an account isn't always through code, it's often through conversation and trust. With these toolkits, hackers can quickly generate convincing scripts, emails, and even fake personas. They might send you a phishing email that looks exactly like a real message from TikTok, or create a fake profile pretending to be someone you know. Their goal? To trick you into revealing your TikTok password, verification codes, or other sensitive information. Often, these attackers pose as TikTok support staff or even as a friend in trouble. They use urgent, emotionally charged messages to pressure you into acting quickly, before you have time to think. For example, you might get a message saying your account will be deleted unless you respond immediately, or that your friend needs help and you must share a code to assist them. Social engineering toolkits make it incredibly easy for anyone, even those with little technical skill, to sound completely legitimate. These kits often come with templates for fake support messages, step-by-step guides, and even automated chatbots that can mimic real customer service conversations. So, what's the best way to protect yourself? Stay skeptical. Always question unexpected requests for your passwords or codes, no matter how convincing or urgent the message seems. Remember, real support staff will never pressure you or ask for sensitive information through direct messages. Official TikTok staff will never ask for your login details, passwords, or verification codes via DM or email. If you ever receive such a request, It's a red flag that someone is trying to scam you. When in doubt, always reach out to TikTok through their official support channels, either through the app or their verified website. This is the safest way to verify if a message is real or fake. Up next, I'll show you real examples of fake messages and DMs that scammers use, so you can learn to spot the warning signs and protect your account from falling into the wrong hands. Brute force attack tools are like digital battering rams, trying thousands of password combinations until they get in. These free programs target TikTok's login page, testing common passwords or info scraped from your profiles. Weak or reused passwords are cracked in seconds. Some tools even bypass basic security like CAPTCHA. Use a password manager to create strong, unique passwords for every account. Never reuse passwords, and enable extra security features. Next, a tool that uses your already leaked passwords against you. Credential stuffing tools use massive lists of leaked usernames and passwords from other sites to break into TikTok accounts. If you reuse passwords, you're at risk, even if you never shared your TikTok login. Hackers load stolen credentials and let the tool try them automatically. These tools often include proxy support to avoid detection. Check if your info has been leaked using sites like Have I Been Pwned, and change passwords immediately if you find a match. Always use unique passwords for every account. I'll show what a credential stuffing tool looks like, just for awareness. In today's digital world, it's easy to get tempted by apps or websites that promise free TikTok verification badges or instant follower boosts. These offers might seem like a shortcut to online fame, but you need to be extremely cautious. Most of these apps are nothing but cleverly disguised traps designed to exploit your trust and curiosity. When you download these fake verification apps, they often ask you to enter your TikTok username and password, and sometimes even request additional personal information like your email address or phone number. What you might not realize is that by providing this information, you're handing over the keys to your account to scammers who can misuse your data in countless ways. These apps are designed to look incredibly professional, with sleek interfaces and convincing branding. They spread rapidly through social media ads and posts, making them appear legitimate and trustworthy to unsuspecting users. Sometimes, even your friends might recommend these apps, not realizing they're scams themselves. The cycle continues as more people fall for the trap and unknowingly put their accounts at risk. To stay safe, always use the official TikTok app or website for anything related to your account. Never trust third-party apps or websites that ask for your login details, no matter how convincing they seem. Remember, if an offer sounds too good to be true, like instant verification or thousands of followers for free, it almost always is. Scammers rely on your desire for quick results to trick you. In a moment, I'll show you a side-by-side comparison of a real TikTok verification page versus a fake one, so you can learn how to spot the subtle differences and protect yourself from falling victim. Up next, I'll reveal a sneaky method scammers use that doesn't even require your password, so stay tuned and learn how to keep your account secure. Session hijacking tools let hackers steal your active TikTok session. No password needed. They intercept session tokens, often via unsecured Wi-Fi or malware, and use them to access your account. You might not notice anything while the hacker takes control behind the scenes. Avoid logging into TikTok on public Wi-Fi, and always log out on shared devices. Keep your device's software updated to patch vulnerabilities. I'll show a simple animation of session hijacking in action. Up next, tools that target your saved passwords directly. Password cracking software breaks into password-protected files or databases, sometimes recovering passwords saved in your browser or TikTok app. Hackers use free or open-source tools to guess or decrypt your stored credentials. Storing passwords in insecure places makes you vulnerable. Use secure password managers with strong encryption, and never save passwords in plain text. Regularly delete old saved passwords, especially on shared devices. I'll show a visualization of password cracking in action. Public Wi-Fi is a hacker's playground. Sniffing tools can intercept your TikTok login data without you knowing. Hackers on the same network use sniffers to capture usernames, passwords, and session tokens. Some tools automatically filter out valuable data like TikTok logins. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi. If you must, use a VPN to encrypt your connection. I'll show a dramatized demo of Wi-Fi sniffers in action. Finally, let's talk about the most dangerous tool, InfoStealer malware. InfoStealer malware is the Swiss Army knife of hacking tools, extracting TikTok credentials, saved passwords, cookies, and more. It often comes bundled with pirated software, fake apps, or malicious attachments. Once inside, it scans for stored logins and sends them to hackers. Some variants can even take screenshots and monitor your activity for months. Never download apps from unofficial sources, and keep your antivirus updated. If you suspect infection, change your passwords and run a full security scan. I'll show a visual of InfoStealer malware in action. Hackers are getting smarter, but you can outsmart them by staying informed and proactive. Use strong, unique passwords, enable extra security, and never share your credentials. Stay safe online. Your digital life is valuable. Thanks for watching. Protect your TikTok and share this video to help others stay secure.